Today, I would like to teach you how to crochet the extended single crochet. It's a little bit taller than the single crochet and really pretty and has kind of a different look to it. Kind of like two chains on top of each other. Very gorgeous, very easy, and very fast to make. Perfect for a beginner who needs a little bit more of a challenge. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. So in order to understand what an extended stitch is, it is important to know where they fit in when you compare other stitches with it, okay? So a single crochet has a certain size and it's smaller than a half double crochet, which is smaller than a double crochet. The extended stitches fit right in between in terms of sizing. So an extended single crochet fits in between a single and a half double crochet. Extended half double fits in between half double and double. An extended double crochet fits in between a double and a treble crochet stitch. Now, yes, this is all US terms, but you need to understand where kind of they fit in between. So now that you know that, I'm going to teach you how to do the extended single crochet. You simply make a chain any length that you like, and then we're going to start making the extended single crochet. I'm going to skip the first chain. I'm going to go into the back bump here just to make it look pretty, and you're going to insert your hook. You're going to pull up your yarn just like you would for a single crochet. But here's the difference now for the extended single crochet. You now want to make sure that you yarn over and go through one loop only. And now you're going to go through both loops. So yarn over and now go through both loops. So you're kind of stopping in between before you finish up the single crochet. It kind of adds one extra step to it. Okay. So let's do that one more time. So you insert your hook just like you normally would for a single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. You have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through one loop. And now yarn over, go through two loops. So as you can see, it makes the single crochet a little taller than a normal single crochet. So at the end of the row, you're going to turn. And you're just gonna keep doing the same stitch. Now you can chain one if you want to. I prefer not chaining one here because it makes a little bit of a bulk. But if you need to, feel free to do so if that's what you've been doing for years. So I'm just gonna skip that part and I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through one, and yarn over, pull through two. You see how that creates a straight edge. This is what I like, so that is what we're going to do. So that is why I don't chain one in the beginning. And this is, by the way, the loop that we need to go into at the end. So you're just gonna keep doing this until you finish your project. So this is how the stitch looks like at the end. So the extended single crochet is from the height between a single crochet and a half double crochet. It's almost the same height as a half double crochet, but it creates this beautiful two chain on top of each other. It's really gorgeous. And so if you do that in a round, you really see lots of these chains in the front. This stitch is very easy and very unique, and it gives it a little bit of a different texture and look to it if you want to try it out. I also have the extended half double crochet and the extended double crochet tutorial. If you want to take a look, there's all of them linked down below in the description if you want to have a photo tutorial as well. Please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends so they can learn the stitch as well. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little bell so you get a notification the next time I publish a new video, go live, or have some awesome announcement for you. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!